Reese!
Can't read the buttons, they're all glitched out. Just, I don't know, stay out of their way.
Oh, great. I hate scabs. Starving. Okay, at least now when you die, it'll have a nice soundtrack.
Hang on, I've almost got it.
Hey guys, Sting here back with part 4 of Tales from the Borderlands. If you haven't seen part 3, go check it out. And if you enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Now let's get into it.
Tell me, baby, what's the problem? 'Cause I keep trying to figure it out.
Okay, now, easy.
Sasha, I'm fine. Thanks, but I'm fine. Let's just not have any more surprises today. Oh, come on! Are you really trying to steal our caravan?
Now, hold on. It's not what it looks. Okay, it is, but I am really sorry, okay?
Oh, give us one good reason we shouldn't shoot you and drag your bodies out that...
There's one reason. Hey! We're not done here!
Fiona, the door! Out of my way!
I don't like it when people lie to me, Sasha! You should never, ever lie to me, Sasha!
Just drive!
Where?
Away from here!
I think we lost them.
So, what do we do with them?
Yeah, Fiona. What did you do with them, huh? I mean, other than try to con us out of our money.
You weren't even supposed to be there.
Well, that didn't stop you, did it? At least the money was real.
All right, I get it. You didn't trust each other.
As it turned out, we had good reason not to. I'll give Sasha this much. From the start, she knew not to trust them. Well, I just thought she was being paranoid.
Enough. What happened next?
Yeah. Tell the nice man what you did to us next. You know, in our time of need. Tell him what you did then.
We calmly discussed the terms of a temporary alliance. Oh, you are a delight. But on to business. I propose that we form an alliance for the return of the funds.
Capital. Really? Is that what you're going with? Because I remember it a little differently.
We should just shoot them first!
Save the bullet. The fall will definitely kill them.
Wait! You don't want to do this!
He's just stalling. This is a waste of time.
Okay, you convinced me. We split the money 60-40.
Wrong answer!
Whoa, wait, we can find the money!
What?
There's a tracker in the case. Reese can follow it.
Let him back in, Sasha.
Come on, Reese. This is serious.
Hey, we don't have all day here.
Thanks, Vaughn. Even if you get that case of money back, you won't be able to open it.
It has a top-of-the-line biometric lock. It's impossible to open without me and my passcodes.
Get the case into my hands and I can open it.
Hey, you say so. But getting the case is the hard part.
All right, Hyperion. Prove it. Find the money.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, call the vet.
Yeah, Vaughn.
I know.
You want to call more Hyperion after us?
Calm down, Sasha. Let's see what they can do.
Thank you.
And then kill them if they betray us.
Reese, what the hell is going on down there? You were supposed to do the deal, then come right back. People are looking for you now.
Oh, we're fine. Just hit a minor setback in the plan.
A minor setback? That's not what it looks like from up here. Vasquez was already pissed enough about the car. That was before he got the call from this August guy. You two have been blacklisted up here, and it's only gonna get worse the more Vasquez keeps yelling.
Unbelievable.
Can't you do anything?
Not without implicating all three of us. I already had security asking me everything I know.
Don't worry. We've got a plan.
We do?
I shouldn't be talking to you this long. They'll trace the signal.
Don't worry. I'm sure I can come up with something.
I've got to go, Reese. You're gonna have to fix this one yourself.
How are we supposed to get an ID from another employee? We're not allowed to talk to other employees.
So, you've got nothing.
Out you go.
Hang on! We Can't you, I don't know, install someone else's credentials? I think we're the only two Hyperion guys left on the planet. We'll have to improvise! Reese, what about Professor Nakayama? I mean, Hyperion probably doesn't even realize he's dead. I'll bet his ID is still valid.
Look, just give up the act, Hyperion. You're just trying to stall us and we're not buying it.
What? No, with this, I'm gonna be able to take us straight to the money. You might want to hang on to something. Wait until you get a load of this.
I'm very disappointed in you. Did you think you could follow in my footsteps? You are nothing more than another pitiful little code monkey. All swagger, no substance.
I guess Vaughn got the tracker working. Vaughn? Where'd everybody go? Who knows what kind of skeletons that old man's keeping in here? Nice to meet you, Miss Moxie. Not too shabby, in that crazy Pandora kind of way. Cast iron steel. Impressive. For con artists. What happened?
We were still waiting to get a load of that. You know, when you said get a load of this, we assumed you were talking about the drool that pooled around your face when you were unconscious.
I tracked the money while you were out.
Quiet. This place is crawling with bandits.
You okay, Reese? You totally whacked your head right after you plugged in. It made this gross sound.
Yeah, I'm fine now.
What happened back there?
No idea, just blacked out.
All your cybernetics still seem to be working, as far as I can tell.
So, the case is in there?
Somewhere.
Wow, what is that place?
Looks like some kind of abandoned Atlas warehouse.
Doesn't look abandoned to me.
Looks more like every bandit on this side of the planet has shown up.
How about it, Mr. Roboto? Do you see any way to get inside?
Reese, if that's Atlas tech, you should be able to scan it.
that Vault Hunter.
Oh, perfect. As soon as a Vault Hunter finds a case with millions of dollars in it, it's as good as gone. You know how they are. Worse than bandits.
Can't we just go in the same way the Vault Hunter did?
We're not vault hunters, Sasha.
Settle down. I got this. Okay.
Something wrong?
No, it's fine. Ooh, that hatch goes down underneath the building, but it's guarded.
Okay, so you found a way in. Now remember to get in and out of there quickly. We've already taken too many risks today.
You're not coming along?
Somebody needs to stay and protect the getaway car. I'll be waiting for your signal. And Fiona, Sasha, be prepared. Don't trust anyone.
We've got a way in, but how are we gonna get down there? Have you forgotten about the bandit parade going by?
That's the easy part. First, we find a crappy hiding spot. Then, we make ourselves a new friend. Fiona and Sasha find cover in order to sneak closer, while we casually take our new pal for a stroll. Then we borrow a gun from one of the guards, making sure that his buddy doesn't feel left out. Then we take the secret entrance, which leads us to the briefcase. And we take a moment to celebrate our swift and easy victory. And we are good to go. Everyone got that? Guys? Damn it.
We found another way down. After you.
My way would have worked.
Fiona! Ow! What the hell are you doing?
I got this. Okay, just give me a second.
Fiona! Fiona! Open up, please! It's pitch black in here.
You are hilarious now. Open the damn hatch!
You were hoping this would happen. You wanted to separate us so you could pick us off. Hyperions! I can't believe I trusted someone from Hyperion. We should never have let you come with us.
Keep moving.
You're not running the show.
If you got a better idea, then
Fine. What would you like to do?
We should keep moving. Walk in front of me.
Vaughn, do you copy? Come in, Vaughn. Damn it. Money's on the move, but it's close. We have to hurry.
They have the money.
Wait. Wait, no, stop.
I've got a shot.
No, it's too
It's not.
late.
Crap.
We have to get to that lift.
Yep, easy. I'll take the one on the left, you get the one on the right. Oh, do you think you can handle that? I know you Hyperion guys don't like getting your hands dirty.
Yeah, no problem.
Sounded pretty confident.
Look, I took out a dozen bandits earlier. Today.
Wow. So you're saying one won't be an issue?
That's what I'm saying. Yeah,
Good.
good.
Come on.
Oh, Eric? Oh, is that you? Wait, what is this? Is this real or is this a joke?
Oh, this is real!
Wait, that's not Eric.
No, it's not, Eric. It's your doom. Stop squirming.
You need some help over there? It looks like you're struggling a bit.
I got it.
That's not what it looks like from here.
No, he doesn't. He does not got it.
Shut up.
Wow. Even the bandit's unimpressed.
No, I gotcha. Get back, man.
Wow, nicely done.
I don't need that right now.
How
Let me just get that for you.
Oh, come on! You cannot tell me that wasn't cool. Thank you.
We need to get the lift working.
This is all old Atlas tech.
Damn it. It's locked. It needs a password. Stupid
Hey,
piece
did
of...
you stop that? I can hack it.
Then do it.
Just a little bend around here. Get this to line up with... Oh, come on, really? I thought we were past this?
Past this. Do you even know what Hyperion means to us on Pandora? The havoc they caused here? The pain? It doesn't matter what you do up there. You contributed.
It's crazy up there, too. Things actually aren't so great at Hyperion right now.
Yeah? Feeling the weight of your corporate overlords, are ya? Good. What the hell was that?
It's one of the power systems starting up.
How is it up there, anyway?
Where?
Up on that base you're all in. What's it called?
Helios.
Right, Helios. I mean, what's it like being an emotionless cog spinning away, day after day, for the most bloodthirsty, brutal, soul-crushing, love-defying corporation in the whole wide universe? Is it fun? Is it something you like?
Look, it's not that easy, okay? Everyone's more than happy to climb the corporate ladder, even if it means using your face for a rung.
Ugh, sounds awful.
It mostly is. I have to concentrate. Can I help you?
Your stun baton. It's the JR-4000. Can I see it? Hold it, I guess I should say. What if I say please? Would that make it easier for you? 'Cause I'm not saying please.
Do you promise to give it back?
Yes.
Pinky promise?
Yes.
Don't hurt yourself.
Oh, man, you might work for the worst corporation in the universe. They do make some cool stuff.
I feel like that's the case with most corporations.
Thanks.
Oh, look at us. We're like best friends now.
Not quite.
And we are in.
Password override. System online.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay, I'm impressed. I suppose you're not completely useless after all.
I really appreciate that.
Yeah, get the lift moving.
I got in, but it didn't give me the right clearances, so I'm gonna need a second.
Well, hurry up.
What the hell? Damn it, not now.
Reese!
Can't read the buttons, they're all glitched out. Just, I don't know, stay out of their way.
Oh, great. I hate scabs. Starving. Okay, at least now when you die, it'll have a nice soundtrack.
Hang on, I've almost got it.
You almost got it.
Yeah, I do.
Do what?
Nothing. Give me a sec.
Yes!
You a real winner. Could you let me know if you see a Gortys core? I really need it.
Sure. We'll let you know.
Hey, get away from that! Not bad. We got Glass's face and Hadley. You guys really know how to accessorize. What are you two doing here?
Oh, hey! It's a funny story, actually.
We're right where we belong.
Oh, okay. So you're drivers.
What do you think?
You don't really look like drivers.
Oh, really? How would you know?
It's kinda my thing. I prep the cars, so I see a lot of drivers.
Prepping cars, huh? Sounds pretty interesting.
So, you guys drivers or what? Sorry, I realize this is rude, but I really don't like your face.
You know, I get that a lot.
Now,
Just get my damn car. Or vehicle or whatever, okay? Do your job.
whoa, alright. That's a way to go about it. There's no need to be rude. Sorry to inconvenience you.
Yeah, you should be.
I will hit you. Please don't. Let's start over. If you're not official drivers, well, pretty sure I'm supposed to shoot you in the face.
Whoa, hey! There's no need for that. It's just a misunderstanding.
We'll give you 20% of our winnings.
Okay, weird. What exactly are you two up to?
None of your concern.
Yeah, that works. They don't really pay me enough to care. I guess I'll go get your ride. Oh, hey, I got something that might interest you. And if you're racing, you should look the part. I'm not gonna give them away for free, but you want to look like a team. Pick these up after the last race. Floor was littered with them. Clean most of the blood off. I suppose there's a chance I'll be collecting... Ooh, nice choice. Okay, if anyone asks, you didn't get these from me. Now get going. The ride is waiting.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing and hit the bell so you never miss an upload, and thanks for watching.
Okay, now hold up. Let me get something right off my chest. I've been meaning to read into it, time to put it to rest. Is it stress? Is it that I ain't answer your text? Don't you treat it like amnesia, you know I always forget. Stirring the pot real hot, watch how the plot thickens. Around the clock, tick tock, need more than 20 seconds to get your attention before it's on to the next thing. And I'm over here again wondering